G'day guys and girls, how are you and stuff? I'm here for a recap on plans for making my business look more professional, and it's starting out here. Oh look, I'm starting to get buds on my nectarine tree. Oh, leaves. Hi Woofy. Anyway, neighbour's dog always barks at me. I've been here for 5 years, still barks at me. 7 years. Been a while since I've been living here. Anyway, it starts out here. So, gotta clean all this out because I'm going to close this in and make it my storage / motorcycle shed. This has got to go, all of this. So today I'm going to get rid of these grapevines right here so I can open all of this up. Not sure whether I'm going to, I was thinking about turning it into a carport that I can back my car trailer into, but I'm not sure. I'll think about that a bit more. Probably best off just starting again if I do that, I think. But yeah, so plan of attack in here. I'll come this way. Oh, why did I come this way? This was the chook shed. I was going to get chooks again, but then, you know, I got plans of travelling in the not too distant future. So chooks are out. No more chooks. So got to get that out. Concrete this floor. That's my first aim. And get rid of this wall here. And then once that's concreted, then, well, I've got to get most of this shit out anyway. I get the concrete mixer out. I'll just put a bag over it. That's what I can use that for. Good idea. Good thinking. Yeah, anyhow. Once that floor is concreted, then anything that I do want to keep in here can get slid up this end. And then I can start concreting the rest. Yeah, anyhow. I'll show you what's going on. I'll show you what's going on out here. Wait up. We'll go in the shed because I've started rearranging in here already. I won't worry about in there. That room hasn't changed. Oh, hang on. We will go in there. It's not. Hang on. I've got to turn the light on. Right, so I want to get everything out of here that doesn't need to be in here too. Like these shelves are going in the new storage shed. Those shelves, probably that. And I just want this bare and nothing but metalworking tools in here. Okay. Yeah. Out. Anyway. Moving on. You may remember from previous videos I had my sandblaster here, and I have my workbench here, and I have my toolbox here. A very good friend of mine donated me a lawnmower, and I'm very, very, very grateful because I was mowing the lawn with a battery powered push mower, my whole block, and it took me ages. It took me all day. Mowed my block with that yesterday. It took me half an hour. So I'm very grateful. Anyway, I'm doing the same out here. I don't want anything in this area except for the cars I'm working on. I plan on putting maybe, I'm not sure the whole length, but cabinets up there just on the wall, not down, because I want all the floor space. Cabinets up there instead of that ugly shelf. In here, this is where my toolbox is now. That toolbox there, I reckon that's going to go out in the new storage shed, because if I'm going to have my bikes out there, I might put some tools in it to work on my bike tools. At the moment it's just got junk in it, so it's pretty much useless. So my bench is in the middle now, so I can walk around it. I'm going to get rid of this shelf. That's one of the first things I'm going to do in here, is get rid of the shelf and everything on it. Oh, not my tools, not my Ryobi tools, although they are pretty junk. And I want to put the sandblaster over there on that wall. That way the bench can come this way a bit. And I'd like to shift that light more central. I'm going to line this roof out anyway, so when I do that, I'll shift that light a little bit more central. All of that can go in the storage shed out there. So, yeah. Bike obviously out in the bike shed, none of that there. It's going to be there. This is my little work area, little workspace. I was going to rip this wall down, but now I'm not so sure. Not so sure that I'm going to do that. That does open up though, so I do want to keep that area free. So if I want to open it up, I can. So yeah, I'm going to line all this out, the whole shed. I'm going to line out with, I don't know, MDF or probably plasterboard, and insulate it. So yeah, big plans in here to make it look more professional, and it's all going to happen ASAP. Alright, so my first port of call today is, yes, there's already junk out here that I've ripped out the shed. One moment, just, yeah, cut that seam, cut this bit, cut it. First port of call today is I'm going to rip some of this iron off this shed, fence, and I'm going to start moving these hardy plank sheets. I may even use some of them to close in the new storage shed. Well, it's not new, but you know what I mean. So that's the start today. Rip off some sheets. I'm not sure if I'm going to get rid of this whole fence or put a gate in it. Don't know yet. But yeah, as soon as I've finished getting things in order, this is next. I need to do something with it. I'm going to get it running, because the main thing I want out of it is the motor and driveline. The rest can go to whatever. Yeah, someone's already after the rear quarter window. So yeah, alright, anyway, moving on, I'm going to get into it. My vision's starting to come together, but yeah, I want it to look nice in here. It looks like it looks shabby, so time to get myself a bit more professional. Well, I'm bloody hungry and I've had enough. Knocking off for the day. So I made a big mess, but I made a huge amount of progress at the same time. So yeah, next week might be dump week to clean up some of my progress. But I've got a hole in the fence. I think I'm going to take the whole fence down. But yeah, I want to clean up some more mess before I do take the whole lot down, like this here. Tyres, I've got a spot for them out the way where they'll never be seen again. But yeah, oh, and I moved all the big stack of hardy plank here, obviously. But yeah, all of this is old dead batteries and bottles of old used oil, so they'll go to the dump next week, get dumped in the oil thing they've got there. But also yeah, I've got rid of my grapevines. I have started getting some stuff out of the shed. Hardy plank, yeah, that's what I moved over here. And the hardy plank here is exactly the same length as that corner of the shed there to that post right there. So, and there's just enough to do from bottom to top. So that might be what I put across there. Obviously I'll have to frame it up first, but yeah, I've got some I got a bit of framing timber left over from when our house got built, so we'll see how much we can get done with that. But have started getting some more stuff out. I mean, I paid like $10 for this thing years ago. Every intention to fix it up, get it running, but it's never going to happen. So if anyone in South Australia wants it, it's a 70cc Suzuki. I got the barrel and everything there, but I don't think it's worth my time, so it's going to go to scrap. Yeah, anyway, I've got way too many other projects on the go for that. So yeah, I've started getting some stuff out of here ready. I was hoping to get the ride on in here this weekend, but I'm running out of time. I'm hungry. I mean, I could still do it, but I am hungry. I am very hungry. But next weekend I'm going to back the trailer in here and fill it up with green waste, take it to the dump, and then when I get back, I'll from the dump, I'll fill it up with rubbish that's going to go to the dump, and that can go the following weekend. So after that, when I've got it all sorted and organised, I'll get myself some concrete. Actually, I was thinking, I'm not sure which way I am going to go. I worked out you get pavers for about $4 for 300 by 300 pavers, and I did the math and it works out similar to what it would cost to do the concrete, but I'm thinking pavers might be less work. We'll see. Doesn't have to be perfect, it's only pretty much a storage shed. So yeah, anyway, that's me this weekend. I'll get back into it next weekend. The sooner I can get it sorted and get my shed in order, then the sooner I can start doing some more fun projects. Is that dust? Hope it's not too bad. But anyway, I'm going to sign off here, go inside and make myself some chicken wings, and I'll catch you when I'm looking at you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that shit. See you later.